Little boy wins his first dirt bike race. In a small town, a little boy named Tommy was about to experience the thrill of his life. It was the day of his first dirt bike race, and the excitement was palpable. As he revved up his engine, little did he know that his dad had a surprise in store for him. Just as the race was about to begin, his dad rolled in with a brand new dirt bike, a gift that left Tommy speechless. The crowd erupted in cheers as Tommy's eyes widened in disbelief. With a mix of shock and joy, Tommy hopped on his new bike and raced off into the sunset, leaving behind a trail of dust and laughter. The race was on, and Tommy was determined to show everyone what he was made of. With each turn and jump, he displayed a mix of skill and clumsiness that had the audience in stitches. Despite a few wobbles and close calls, Tommy managed to cross the finish line in first place, a feat that no one saw coming. As he stood on the podium, covered in dirt and grinning from ear to ear, Tommy knew that this was just the beginning of his dirt bike adventures. The crowd roared with applause, and Tommy's dad beamed with pride. The day ended with a celebration fit for a champion, but Tommy knew that the real victory was the bond he shared with his dad. Follow for more stories like this one.